In this video, you'll learn how to sell a PDF on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will successfully list your digital products for customers to buy and download. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store website and logging into your account. If you're not signed in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Once logged in, locate the section labeled My Store on the main dashboard. After accessing My Store, look for the option labeled Plus Add Product. Clicking this button will take you to the product creation page. This is where you will define the details of your PDF product. Next, you will be prompted to enter the product name. This should be a clear and concise title that accurately reflects the content of your PDF. Once you've entered the name, move on to the description section. In the description box, provide a thorough overview of what your PDF contains. Be informative and engaging, as this will help potential customers understand the value of your product. After completing the description, proceed to upload your PDF file. Click on the Upload button, which will allow you to select the PDF file from your device. Ensure that the file is appropriately formatted and check the file size, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, confirm that the correct file is displayed. Now set the price for your PDF. Determine a fair price based on the content and market standards. After entering the price, you have the option to add images or a cover for your product. This step is optional, but an appealing cover can enhance visibility and attract buyers. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and uploaded any additional images, locate the Publish button. Clicking this will finalize your product listing. After a moment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your product has been successfully published. Your PDF will now be available for customers to buy and download. It is advisable to check your store to ensure everything appears as intended and that the product is listed correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.